Have you ever stood perfectly still just for a moment and felt the solid ground beneath your feet? It feels like the most stable, unmoving thing in the universe. But in reality, you, me, and everything on this planet are hurtling through space at an astonishing speed. Right now, the Earth is spinning on its axis at over 1,600 kilometers per hour. We don't feel it because everything around us, the air, the oceans, the buildings, is moving right along with us. It's a delicate, high-speed dance that has defined life for billions of years. But what would happen if in a single gut-wrenching instant the music stopped? Imagine the Earth slams on the brakes. In that moment, the planet's rotation ceases, but your momentum does not. According to the laws of inertia, everything not welded to the Earth's bedrock would be catastrophically flung eastward at over 1,600 kilometers per hour. People, animals, cars, and trees would be torn from the ground and sent flying, becoming deadly projectiles. Entire cities would be sheared from their foundations, their skyscrapers toppling and disintegrating into a supersonic blizzard of glass and steel. It would be a global catastrophe on a scale that is nearly impossible to comprehend, scouring the surface of the planet clean in a matter of seconds. The destruction wouldn't stop there. The atmosphere, a vast ocean of air, would also continue its eastward rush, creating winds of unimaginable fury. These global gales would dwarf the most powerful hurricanes ever recorded, generating enough friction to ignite planet-wide firestorms. At the same time, the oceans, which are held in a slight bulge around the equator by the Earth's spin, would be unleashed. Without the centrifugal force to hold them in place, they would surge toward the poles in a pair of globe-spanning tsunamis. These colossal waves would wash over continents, burying vast swathes of North America, Europe, and Asia under kilometers of water. As the chaotic waters eventually settle, a new and alien world would emerge. The oceans would pool into two massive polar bodies, and the land that was once submerged around the equator would rise, forming a new, continuous supercontinent girdling the planet's waist. But this new world would be one of brutal extremes. With the Earth's rotation gone, the day-night cycle would cease. One hemisphere would be locked in a permanent scorching bake under the relentless sun, where temperatures would soar high enough to boil the very oceans. The other side would be plunged into an eternal frozen night, a wasteland of ice and darkness colder than Antarctica. Even in the thin strip of twilight between these two extremes, survival would be a fantasy. The Earth's rotation is what generates our protective magnetic field, a shield that deflects the sun's deadly radiation. Without that spin, the shield would collapse. The surface would be bombarded by a constant stream of lethal solar particles and cosmic rays, sterilizing any potential haven. In this desolate twilight zone, the last remnants of life would be exposed to an invisible but inescapable death, huddling against winds that never cease, under a sky that offers no protection. What we are left with is a chilling reminder of our own fragility. From a world of dynamic beauty and life, the Earth would become a static, scarred monument to a cosmic accident. One half burns while the other freezes, suspended in a silent, eternal limbo. It's a terrifying thought experiment, but it reveals a profound truth. Our existence hinges on a delicate, spinning balance. The constant, silent motion we never even notice is the very rhythm that allows our world and our lives to be.